Welcome to another practice question session for a CKA. So verify certificate manager is running in the cluster. List all the cert manager CRDs to save on this particular this location. Extract spec AMC field issuer custom resource and save to this file, and extract spec subject certificate custom resource and save to the particular this subject.yml. So we need to install this. So I just created here step by step. So first we need to create this is just a prerequisite, so you don't worry, just copy and paste. So now your things start from here. So list CRD. So just get kubectl CRD. So paste, then you will see that many CRDs are there. So but you need a cert managers. So if you grep cert manager, then you will find whatever you might require. So I'll just copy this and paste it. So you will find these things. So I insist you, when you try to transfer anything, so you use full commands. So I want to copy in this issuer. So this all you see cert manager, so I'll just redirect it to the manager, this resource file. Now one more important thing, first cat this and verify whether the our things are saved or not. So yes, well installed. So we had completed our task first. Then extract spec AMC field. Okay, so I once list this get CRDs. So whenever this type of things are there, so yes, spec.amc field from this issuer certificate manager.amc. So just redirect this to particular this AMC file paste. So once again verify cat home symbol ACMC. So well and good, it is there. And then subject to is filled from the certificates. Okay, so copy this, paste, use this explain command. So whatever extraction required in the questions, so spec.and and issuer.custom resource, here it is already given. So here spec.subject from the certificate custom resources. So control L, control K. So once again I'll just certificate manager. So here certificate custom resources. So certificate custom resources. Certificates is asked. So certificates here and then cert manager. So from here, copy the subject. So explain this with the subject. Copy ex cube ctl explain. There you go. Many things. So here what the spec.subject. So this what we need to pass in this subject.ml. So just this is a redirect symbol, but when we paste, please keep it in mind that this type of thing could happen in examination also. So just make sure and cat this. So done. So if we find ls, so all three files are there. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in next sessions, and that would be the storage class. Please do practice, because watching this tutorial can't help if you won't practice.